Revive your hair with the power of nature. Experience the dramatic transformation.
Healthy hair starts from the scalp and your daily nutrition. Weak, dry, or thinning hair often comes from lack of nutrients and poor scalp care. What to do? Eat foods rich in protein, iron, and vitamins. Eggs, fish, vegetables, nuts, fruits. Drink plenty of water daily. Massage your scalp for 5 minutes every day to improve blood circulation. Apply natural oils like coconut oil, castor oil, rosemary oil, olive oil. Hair growth mask. Mix 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon castor oil, 1 egg yolk. Apply for 30 minutes before washing. 2. Stop overwashing and harsh products. Too much shampoo can strip your hair of natural oils, making it dry, weak, and thin. Avoid washing hair every day. Very hot water. Strong chemical products. Excessive hair dye or relaxers. Better routine. Wash hair 2 to 3 times weekly. Use sulfate-free shampoo. Cold or lukewarm water helps keep hair shiny and reduces breakage. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to subscribe to NATURACURA for more natural beauty, hair growth, and wellness tips that actually help. And tell me in the comments, which of these hair care tips surprised you the most, or which one are you going to try first? I'd really love to hear your thoughts. Now, let's continue. Many people lose hair because of constant heat and rough handling. Reduce tight hairstyles. Frequent brushing. Heat from dryers and straighteners. Sleeping without covering your hair. What helps? Use a satin bonnet or pillowcase at night. Comb hair gently from the ends upward. Trim split ends every few months. Let your hair breathe occasionally without heavy styling. Healthy hair grows faster when it is protected from stress and breakage. 4. Use natural remedies consistently. Natural treatments take time, but consistency can improve thickness and hair strength. Powerful natural mix. Blend avocado, coconut oil, aloe vera. Apply to the scalp and hair for 20 to 30 minutes once weekly. Other helpful remedies. Onion juice for hair growth. Rice water for strengthening. Fenugreek paste for reducing shedding. Rosemary water spray for thicker hair. Important. Results don't happen overnight. Consistent care for weeks and months is what transforms thin hair into healthy, fuller hair. Final hair care tip. Hair growth is not only about products, it's about patience, consistency, healthy habits, and protecting your scalp. Treat your hair gently, feed your body well, and stay consistent with natural care routines for stronger, thicker, and healthier hair.